Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to check your Remitly transaction limits using the web browser. The first step you need to take is go to remitly.com and sign into your profile. Next, you have to click on your profile picture or name at the top right corner, then select Account Settings. Next, look for the Transaction Limit section and you will see the limits. Now you can check your current transaction limits, including the maximum amount you can send per transaction, per day, and per month. Now, Remitly transaction limits vary depending on factors such as your account type, is it personal or business, your verification level, is it basic or enhanced, destination country and currency, and the payment methods used. So keep in mind that Remitly may adjust transaction limits based on regulatory requirements, risk assessments, or other factors. Thanks for watching.